Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern rustic furniture design ideas. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Rustic furniture has been a popular design style for many years, and it continues to be a favorite among homeowners who want to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in their homes. However, as with any design style, it's important to keep up with the latest trend and modernize rustic furniture to keep it fresh and stylish. So, one way to modernize rustic furniture design is to incorporate silk and contemporary elements into the design. For example, you could add a metal accent or clay lines to a rustic wooden table to give it more modern feel. Another option is to mix and match different styles, such as pairing a rustic wooden bench with modern chairs. Another way to modernize rustic furniture is to experiment with different finishes and colors. While traditional rustic furniture is often left in its natural state or stained in a dark color, you could try painting into a bright, bold color or adding a distressed finish for a more modern look. In addition to modernize the design of rustic furniture, there are also several style features you can incorporate to make it more functional and practical. For example, you could add built-in storage to rustic wooden bench or table, or incorporate hidden compartments into the design for storage small items. Another stylish feature to consider is the use of suitable elements or materials. Rustic furniture is often made from reclaimed wood or eco-friendly materials, which not only adds to its charm but also help to reduce your carbon footprint. Modernizing rustic furniture and incorporating stylish features is a great way to keep it classic design style fresh and relevant into today's homes. By experimenting with different finishes, color and materials, you can create a unique and personalized look that reflects your personal style and taste. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We daily post videos on furniture design and decor ideas. Also, smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload any videos. Here are a few more ideas on how to modernize your rustic furniture. Number 1. Mixed texture. Combine a rustic wooden furniture with elements like glass, metal, or leather to create a visually interesting and modern look. For example, pair a rustic wooden dining table with silk metal chairs or add a glass top to a wooden coffee table. Number 2. Incorporate industrial elements. Industrial design elements such as epoxy metal pieces, concrete accent, or distressed finishes can add a modern edge to rustic furniture. Consider adding industrial style lighting features or hardware to your rustic piece for a contemporary twist. Number 3. Minimalist approach. Embrace a minimalist aesthetic by keeping the design clean and simple. Choose rustic furniture with a clean lines and minimal embellishment to create a modern and uncultured look. Number 4. Play with scale. Experimenting with different scale and proportions to create a visual interest. Mix a oversized rustic furniture pieces with smaller, more delicate items to add depth and dimension to your spaces. Number 5. Add modern accessories. Incorporating modern accessories such as geometric rug, abstract art, or silk lighting fixtures to complement your rustic furniture and enhance the overall modern aesthetic of your space. Customization. Number 6. Customization. Consider customizing your rustic furniture pieces to fit your specific needs and styles preference. Whether it's adding unique detailing, changing the hardware, or altering the dimensions, customization can help you create a one-of-a-kind modern rustic look. Number 7. Contrasts with contemporary art. Pair your rustic furniture with contemporary art space to create an eclectic and modern vibe. The contrast between the traditional rustic elements and the contemporary artwork can add a dynamic and stylish touch to your space. By incorporating these ideas and experimenting with different design elements, you can successfully modernize your rustic furniture and create a fresh and stylish look that reflects your individual taste and personality. Dear viewers, here you have them. Our hand-picked modern rustic furniture design ideas. Which one do you like? Share us your thought in the comment section. We post daily video on furniture design, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share the video to friends and family so that it could reach wide audience. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we will see you in our next video.